All right, here we are, back for the Brainbuster.
Yes.
And so, what we want to know is how much revenue Store 1 has made from movies that are rented and are rated R or PG-13. So, revenue for Store 1 for film.
Ooh, calling it film. It's just like a little.
Well, it's for the film category. I figured you might as well say legit.
Sophisticated That's what fancy people call movies.
Yeah, that's true. A film noir. All right. So we are going to need the film table, the payment plan. It's just called the payment table, and then the rental. So let's connect these first and foremost. The p.rental ID equals r.rental ID. And r.inventory equals i.inventory and i.film ID equals f.film ID and i.store store ID equals 1.
That's store number 1.
So there's only 2 stores. So the other one's ID number 2. Okay, and then this is where we get to use the in function. So f.rating in, and this is also a it's a char or character. Boom, PG-13. We're going to group it by 1, so that's going to be the store. So right.
Mm-hmm.
Or I guess we're not. We could do that. There, let's do that. So we'll do i.store ID as store. And then we're going to do f.rating as movie rating. Movie rating, film rating.
Just flip-flopping over here.
Flip-flopper. And then the last thing we want to do the sum.amount to get as store revenue. I like viewing this word wrapped. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to need to do is group by 1, then 2, and then let's order by 3 descending. So that will give us whichever movie rating has driven the most revenue will be up first.
Yep.
So boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
So here we go. We see that the PG-13 movies in Store 1 are driving $8,091, while the R-rated movies in Store 1 are only driving $6,514.62 worth of revenue.
Pete, let me just throw another Brainbuster at you right on the spot. It's not even in the script right now,
go.
But let's limit the dates right now.
Okay.
Let's figure out rentals that were made in the time period we specified above.
Okay,
just
so
make it a little easy for a little cut and paste over there.
Okay, thanks. I'm lazy. So I'm gonna bring that down. We'll add it in here. Boom. That looks good. So let's see how these numbers change. So okay, first we can copy that, paste it in there. Okay, so this is just for a little bit of reference, and we can see how it changes. So we'll copy this, paste that in there, run that. Right, sorry. So we'll run that query. Okay, very interesting. And now we can compare these numbers. So overall, in all time, this is their revenue that they had earned. But within the dates of June 8th to July 19th, this is what they earned. And so this can be really helpful. Like, say we were running a discount between these times. We want to compare this revenue to the overall revenue, see what percentage it is. Maybe compare it to another month of rentals and see how that changes. So I hope that was helpful.
Yes.
And I hope you did pretty well. This next lecture, we're going to be making big moves. So this is going to be graduating from Pee-wee SQL to some more big boy SQL.
Big boy. Or big girl. No, that's not the same meaning.
Yeah.
Just...
All right, we're going to end it because David just made some ridiculous comment. And we're not even going to tell you what it is. I guess you can also just look at the title of the next lecture.
Hint. Starts with temporary.
Bye.